Am I
Yes.
visible?
Yeah, you are visible. So how are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, absolutely fine. What about you?
I'm also good, ma'am. And we are meeting for the very first time. So can you start your introduce?
Yeah, sure. My name is Ghazala, and I am connecting with you from Allahabad, UP. And I have completed my post graduation in economics, and I have also completed my BA degree. Right now, I'm taking a school, and continuously, I am running my YouTube channel. That's all about me.
Okay, so it's my turn. As you know, my name is Geeta Chaudhary. I live in Dura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri. And if you talk about my qualification, I have completed my 12th class in 2014, and this time I'm learning English because I want to make environment for my kids. And I
Very
have
good.
two kids, one daughter and one boy. So I want to make environment in future. English is very important language for everyone. That's why. And if you talk about my hobby, I like teaching and dancing, singing, sometimes reading books. So that's all.
Very good, great. Actually,
Yeah.
your purpose of learning English is very good because you said that you want to make an environment for your kids, and really, it's very good purpose because I talked many people, and all of us, including me, we all of us want to learn English to get a better job, to develop our personality, and all these things. But you are learning English just because of your kids, and really, it's very sweet.
Yes, ma'am. Because in this time, if I you can say go anywhere. That time, if I connect each other person, that time
Yes,
I fumble in English speaking. So I want to make environment for my kids because at that time they connect other person, they not fumble. That's why,
it
and they
is.
achieve our goal.
Nowadays, English is very important, and if we don't know English, then we feel very nervous and very, and we feel ourselves very underestimate. Actually,
Yeah.
each of us knows English very. It's very important for all of us,
Yeah,
and
and this
you
time
are teaching
also,
also. You know
this time,
teaching also.
yeah, this time also English is very important, and in future also very important for any job. If you want to any get on job and interview, lots of in if you want to join with any school, that time you speak fluently English. That time you can job.
Yes, sir. And because I'm also a teacher, I'm teaching in a school, but still my English is not very good. Yes, I can speak in English, but I can't speak advanced English or very fluent English. That's why I'm practicing this language nowadays. And in my school, I speak to my students, and that time I feel very confident. But when I talk to any learned person, that time I feel very nervous. So I started practice this language on this platform. That's why I'm running
Yeah,
this channel to practice this language. And
yeah, ma'am.
also, I want
Because
to get a good job. Because I'm working in a school, I'm working in a CBSE school, but I want a better job also. That's why I'm practicing this language.
yeah, because it's happen on practice.
Yes, yes.
If you want to,
Uh, yes, it's
you
cooking
want to
practice,
speak
more and more
fluent,
practice.
then you have to speak in fluent. Then you practice daily to daily.
Yes, it needs practice, more and more practice, and more practice will make us fluent. So it's very important, yes. And
So please
you
practice.
told me that you like stitching also. Means
Yeah, I stitching like blouse and petticoat and suit, lot of things.
Okay, it's very good.
Yeah,
Actually, I am also I also like stitching very much, and I can stitch all types of clothes like gowns, suits, frock, palazzo
yeah,
pants, etc. And it's my it was my hobby, but nowadays I hardly get time for all these activities, so I don't stitch my clothes nowadays. But before 2 years, I never go to any tailor. I always stitch my clothes on my own, and it
yeah.
was my
Also,
yes.
I it is my in-law, mother-in-law clothes and my grandmother-in-law clothes and my daughter clothes I stitch in
Okay,
my
it means you are
family.
saving lots of money. You are saving lots of money because nobody is going to the tailor, and you are stitching all those clothes, and you are saving lots of money. It's
Yeah,
very
yeah,
good. And you like dancing also?
yeah. I like dancing and singing also.
Okay, which type of dance do you like?
Like if I this time song trending song that I also dancing.
Okay,
Yeah,
means you are multi-talented lady.
yeah. Ma'am, this time I have eye problem that's why I can't stitching anything because my eyes is problem little bit blind.
Okay, okay. No,
Yeah,
actually, when we stitch clothes, so if it's on eyes, because there's lots of strain we get that time. So yes,
it's
our
happen.
our eyes gets affected due to eye
Yeah,
stitches, because it's a very it gives lots of strain on our eyes.
yeah.
Yes.
Please tell me,
So,
ma'am, how did you start your journey? When did you start your journey?
actually, my journey was not very easy, because I was a Hindi medium student, and I don't have any environment also. I didn't have any environment. So, after completing my graduation, when I started searching job for me, that time I realized that English is very important. If I want a job, then I should know English. So I started learning English, but I was not very serious that time. And after some time, I got married, and my journey stopped, totally stopped, because I got stuck in my family, in my in-laws, my daughter's husband, all these things, and my
Yeah, yeah.
journey stopped. But now, before 5 or 6 months ago, I started my journey again, because my daughters are grown up, and I'm working in a school, and then I realized that no, my English is not up to the mark, and I should practice more and more to be fluent, and to speak accurate English. So I started now. Before 5 to 6 months ago, I was not able to frame a simple sentence. But now, gradually, I'm improving, and yes, I can say no. Now I can speak English, a little
Yes,
English.
ma'am. You improve lot of
Thanks a lot.
because
Just
you
because,
speak very well.
thanks a lot. But I know myself very well that no, I need more practice, because sometimes I get stuck. So
Yeah,
that time I couldn't find uh, the suitable word for the particular sentence. So that's why I'm practicing this language. And yes, practice makes a man perfect. So it is definitely working on us, because you're also practicing, and you are improving, because you are
because
speaking
it's so
good
must.
English. Yes,
Yeah,
it's the best way, and we are very fortunate that we got this platform to practice, and it will definitely work for us, and definitely we will improve. We will improve one day.
yeah, yeah. because if you practice day to day, then definitely one day you improve lot of.
Yes. How old your kids are?
My daughter is 8-year old and my son is 4-year old.
Okay, they are very small. My daughters are grown up. My elder daughter is 17 years old, and my younger daughter is 13 years old.
Yeah.
They both are.
and and when did you start your YouTube channel?
I recently started my YouTube channel. Actually, I think it's going to 1 month. 1 month ago, I
Okay.
started my
What is name of your YouTube channel?
sorry. Um,
Okay.
Actually, 25 or 26 days ago, I started my YouTube channel, and there are only 90 subscribers on my channel. But I'm a channel and
Okay.
working hard for my English also. I daily
Which
try.
type which type content do you upload, like a daily conversation video or other things?
I upload conversational videos as well as idioms and shorts also. Daily use sentences, idioms like this. Yes, because I hardly get time for the conversational videos. I try to speak one or more person daily, but sometimes is it couldn't. So I upload a short video on my channel.
Yeah, I I complete 1 year my YouTube channel, but I can't maintain my consistency because sometime in I live in village, so in village lot of work, field work and horses old and buffalo work, so lots of work. That's why I can't maintain my consistency. So that's why
I
I not improve lot of.
I can understand. And to grow any channel, consistency is more important. And I'm also not very consistent. I always try to, I daily try to upload one video, but sometimes it's couldn't possible. So I upload shorts video. So you also try if you are working in a field. So make one short video and upload it on your YouTube channel because it
you know
takes hard.
I
Like you are
have lot of problem in my health issue. Sometime yeah, you can say I take medicine 1 year, one have been 1 year ago. In my nose problem, fat is increase in my nose, and this time eye problem. So health is not good. That's why I take
first.
medicine, and yeah, mine is pressed.
No,
That's
health
why
is
I
very
can't.
important. First of all, you should take care of
Yeah,
your health. First of all,
yeah.
please take care of your health because health is more important, the most important thing. So,
One problem is
take care of
gone and
your-
second problem is
second problem is
come. You can
sorry.
say one problem gone and second problem is coming.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. But it's problems are the part of life. Yeah, so we have to face any every problem, and yes, it's a part of life. So, first of all, you should take care of your health, and then after all these things, because you have to take care of your family, your children. Your children are very small, and you have to take care of them. So, if you are not good and you are not feeling well, then how can you are going to take care of them? So, it's very
I
important.
feel
First of all,
I feel very
your health
tired.
is very important.
I feel very tired because in morning time household chores, that's of lot of, and in evening time, so I'm busy, and afternoon time I my kids teaching, and a lot of I feel tired whole day. That's why I can't maintain it.
Yes, I can understand because being a mother, being a lady, we have to do a lot of work in our home, and lot of household chores are there. we have to do all these things. I'm a working lady, still I have to do all the household chores, and I get tired at night, and that time I feel that, oh, there should be someone to massage my legs
Yes,
because I feel very tired. But we have to face each and everything, and we are facing. So it's a
yeah,
part of it.
we
And
have to face it.
yes, but please, it's my humble request. Please take care of your health because your kids are very small, and being a mother, you have to do a lots of work. So please, first of all, take care of yourself.
You know, I want to make video day to day because I feel happy that time I make video, and I happy because I today I do something new, this type of
Yes,
thinking.
it gives us self satisfaction. Yes, you
Yeah,
are right. Whenever I make videos and I talk people, I talk different people, that time I feel very good, and that feeling is very different because that time I realize that I'm doing something, and I'm doing something
yeah,
for myself. It is for myself because we are not doing it for anybody. It is for myself, and yes, it gives us self satisfaction.
yeah.
And
Mine is
yes, because 24 in the 24 hours there is not a single hour for us. We should steal 1 or 2 hours for ourselves. We should take 1 hour to spend our life according to our wish. So it is very important, and it will
you
give
know,
us a more joy and happiness
you
because
know
being
my
alone.
my house is open, so that's why you can say I afternoon time I couldn't sit in outside in room if I make video in out in room. So that time I'm not you can say feeling good.
Mhm. I can
So
understand.
yeah, my house is open
Mhm.
in
So, how
evening.
many videos have you uploaded in? How many
Yeah,
videos?
you can say 255 something.
55 videos. It's a
You
very
know,
big.
because my channel is 1 year ago started. That's why
Mhm.
I completed
And
one
how
year
many
ago.
subscribers are there?
You can say 635 something.
Okay, then you should work on it. Lots of
Yeah,
subscribers are there. 600, more than 600 subscribers are there. Then you should work on it, and you should try to grow your channel.
yeah. I want this time field work is off, so that time I feel sometime I have free time. So I want to you can say maintain my consistency, and I do my work.
Yes, sure. You can. Okay, Geeta ji, can I call your name Geeta?
Yeah, why not, ma'am? Because I'm
Okay.
a little bit younger to you.
Yes, yes, my daughters are grown up, and yes, of course, I am senior than you.
Yeah,
Geeta, it was a really nice session with you, and
yes,
please,
ma'am.
and I enjoyed a lot. And yes, I will request you that please take care of yourself. And
Why
again,
not, ma'am? Yes,
again,
why
I will
not?
try. I would like to connect with you.
Yes, yes, why not?
Okay,
So bye,
bye.
bye.
Have a nice day.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.